Welcome back. Male dominance at the BHOMA-ADKON Panchayat in Prudent constituency came to an end with a woman taking charge as SARPANCH. The SARPANCH's post at this Panchayat was reserved for women, but for almost 2.5 years since the Panchayat elections, the post was vacant. Varsha Naik was elected unopposed as SARPANCH, whereas Mahima Naik was elected as Deputy SARPANCH.
वो हक्क आमकां मेळ्ळा तो आमी बरे तरेन यूज करता बरे कार्य बरे डेव्हलपमेंट करून आमी फुडें काम डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक हेजो बरे तरेन वापर करतली.
तांचो आमकां न्याय मेळ्ळा पळय न्हू तो न्यायान आमी आतां फुडें कितें थंय पंचायतींतलो सगळो डेव्हलपमेंट करता. ह्या पयलीं आमची कांयच कामां जावंक ना.
पहिला सरपंच आशिल्लो तो काही काळ 2.5 वर्सां काळांत जनसांनी भोगलो कळ्ळें. तशें उरलेली 2.5 वर्सां आदी तांकां आमचे डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी सरपंच तांकां महिलांकच केल्ली आसा आनी हेजे नंतर ते महिला चलयतली बरे भशेन. आमचे गांवचे जे पळय BHOMA-ADKON पंचायतीचे लोक आसा तेंचे खुबशी अपेक्षा आसली ह्या पंचायती कडल्यान बरें डेव्हलपमेंट जावचें म्हणून. हेजे फुडें हांव तेंचे कडेन मागता जी कामां जे आमचे बाकीचे आमी गांवांनी पळयता शौचालयां म्हण तूं जावं आनी कसली फॅसिलिटीज ह्यो सामक्यो आमच्या गांवांत मेळ्ळ्यो ना. बायलां पासून अशें उगड्यार आमचे वयचें पडटा. थंय तेणी कितें तरी लक्ष घालून पयलीं शौचालयां आसा पळय BHOMA-ADKON पंचायतीक ती कशी तरी गव्हर्मेंटान कितें स्कीम हाडून ही फॅसिलिटी लागू करून दिवची. हांगा BJP म्हणून कुशीन दवरून एक समान न्याय लोकांक दिवचो आनी बरें राजकारण आयच्यान हांगा चालू जावचें ही म्हाजी अपेक्षा आसा.
FC Goa continued the fantastic winning run in the Indian Super League with a 3-0 victory over Northeast United at Fatorda on Monday evening. This was the third consecutive victory for Zico's boys and it took FC Goa into the second position in the ISL table. FC Goa have rounded off their home engagements in style. With the team playing positive football, Zico will hope to get favourable result in their 2 remaining away games and make it to the semi-finals. The top 4 teams from the ISL league stage qualify for the semi-finals.
Watch the build-up. As the ball's moving, the players are moving. Gibbs goes.
Goal number 100 in the Hero Indian Super League. And it's scored by ROMEO Fernandez.
To stay calm in possession and steer it. Far post, Rehenesh, not a chance.
Comes to Chancer. Chancer's going to try and make a little bit of progress. Halkett gets his cross in. It's gone a long way. Oh, grabbed by Seda and quickly released to try and use the pace of Romeo.
And it could happen.
Well, look at Romeo go. Bikramjit's trying to get up in support. And he couldn't find a teammate. Oh, it's brilliantly won back by SLEPICKA. 2-0 now to FC Goa. Das with the cross. Santos trying to find room for the shot. Oh, it's brilliant. It's brilliant from the Brazilian. And it's 3-0. Oh, what a goal. What a calm finish. And Goa are heading for second spot in the Hero Indian Super League.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.